Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash out with me. Now, this is going to be the very first test of that locker spool that I put in the back. So I locked the rear differential, so both those rear axles are locked together, and I just brought it out today to this parking lot just to see how it performs. So that's what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to start off with a 2S pack, and then after that, just for giggles, I'm going to go ahead and throw in a 3S pack, and we're just going to rip her around. I made a few adjustments to the front suspension because the thing's kind of been drifting the one direction. I don't know if it's something with the shock or what, but I put another preload spacer on the one side of the shock. But anyhow, what I'm going to do is go ahead and get her hooked up, and we're going to jump right in this video. So this is what she's looking like underneath. I had to replace this piece right here because the last time, well actually a couple times ago, I broke this piece right here when I crashed. It's this extended body mount piece. This right here is a ZOP power LiPo. It's a 6,000 milliamp, 60C discharge rate, 2-cell pack. And this right here is an SE8 ESC. It's capable of up to 4S, but we're only going to be running her on 2S and 3S today, guys. As you can tell, I already got her turned on. I got that I can't remember what the brand is. I think it's ProTech. I got that ProTech fan on. It is loud. You can probably hear that. It sounds like a vacuum cleaner. I also brought my carpet with me, so I'll grab that out of the Jeep in a little bit, and we'll do a burnout, see if she really hooks up. But first, we're going to try some launches without doing a burnout. Then we'll do some carpet burnouts, and then we'll launch her again, and then we'll switch to some 3S packs. I'm just interested to know how well is it going to launch. Will it go straight now that I put that locker spool in? Because with that planetary diff, the thing had a tendency to spin out pretty easily, actually. So yeah, let's get started ripping. Alrighty, guys, are you ready? Get set, go. Not hooking up, that's for sure. Might have to do the carpet burnout right now. She ain't gonna hook up. I'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty, it's time for a carpet burnout. So let's go ahead and do this. Let me know down in the comments. I'm using a brand new external mic on my cell phone. So let me know in the comments if this mic sounds better, because actually there is a slight breeze today. So I'm just wondering whether or not the wind catch in this external mic is like reducing some of that wind noise so you guys can hear me pretty clear. But yeah, let's go ahead. Let's do a burnout. Let's quickly do a launch. 1, 2, 3, go! Still didn't go quite straight. She don't want to go straight. You know what, guys, just for the heck of it, I think we're going to go ahead and do a burnout just on the pavement. And I know that's bad for the tires. It makes the tires wear unevenly. At least that's what I've been told in the comments. But it's worth a shot. So let's just go ahead and let's try doing a burnout on the pavement. Here we go. Then just let go of it. Here we go for another launch, guys. Ready, get set, go! Ooh! Also, guys, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed. A few people in the comments said I should be trying this on like concrete, more like what the sidewalk is. I would think this is what you typically run a drag car on, is like blacktop, right? Let me know if I'm mistaken. The steering is definitely compromised now that I put that locker spool in. You can tell it doesn't want to steer, it just wants to push. You know what, guys, something I want to do with my drag slash, I actually want to try jumping it. So I set these ramps up right here, so let's see how she jumps. Obviously this is not what this machine is designed for, but Looks like fun. So far, not super impressed with the locker spool. It could have to do with the surface. It could have to do with it being a cold day actually. Who's to say really? But she doesn't seem to be performing any better. It just seems to still want to like spin out. But I set some ramps up, so let's go ahead. Let me try to go ahead and hit the ramps and jump this thing. Here we go. Nice. Oh, it's not stuck. We might get out. No, we're stuck. That was pretty cool, actually. It flew pretty good. Let's try another one. All right, let's take her down that way and try to line up the ramps. And here we go. On the throttle. Pinned. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fitting that I'm at a church.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, the body. I'm surprised this bumper, this Ecotech or Exotech bumper hasn't broken off. Or the 3D printed plastic Aero kit. Because, obviously this thing's not for being jumped. Unfortunately, I just noticed this with the body. I took the body off, I realized there's a giant crack in it. So, obviously that jumping put a pretty big crack in the body already, but I don't know, it's still pretty fun, so I'd say it's worth it. But we're going to go ahead and take that 2S pack out and throw a 3S pack in. Obviously, 3S is not legal in the world of RC drag racing. 2S is as high as you can go for cells. But we're just going to do this for fun. Throw this 3S in. It's a 6,000 milliamp, 55C discharge rate, 3-cell pack. And I want to try jumper though on 3S though too. See how far she can fly. But we'll try doing some launches. The tires feel kind of warmed up. I mean, I did multiple burnouts on the carpet, and then I did a burnout on the cement, but she still doesn't seem to want to hook up. So I don't know. Interesting. But I'll be right back with you guys once I get that battery installed. Got her all hooked up on 3S. We need to do a 3S launch. This thing just shreds the tires. It just spins those tires up on 3S. Actually, the last time I ran this on 3S, the tire actually came debeaded. Or like the glue came undone around the wheel. So I actually had to re-glue it. So obviously these tires aren't belted. They're not meant to run 3S. But it's fun. And that's the whole point of the hobby, right? To have fun. Like if I roll on the throttle, she'll go straight. But she will not go straight if I really try to put the power down. She just spins out. I don't know, 3S is fun though. Oh! That was kind of cool actually. Give that a thumbs up, guys, if you thought that was pretty cool. I think that was awesome. Launch! Whoa! I bet you at this point the tires are at least warmed up. Yeah, tires seem pretty warm. I wanted to go ahead and try a burnout on 3S real quick. We'll do a carpet burnout. Here we go. Now, will she launch? Probably not. Nope. No chance. Yeah, I want to see if she launches any better over on the cement. She probably will. Alright, cement launch. 1, 2, 3, go! It seemed to launch better. Back in this direction. Off-road! Yeah, she's not hooking up at all. I don't know what's going on. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you know some adjustments I can make. Like, I really have to roll on the throttle, and at no point can I get it up to full throttle. It will spin out. You know, here's just easing onto that throttle. Like, easing onto the throttle, she'll do all right, but I cannot get it pinned. Here, let's bring it. Okay, 2/3, 3/4. Ooh. Okay, that time I got it up to about 3/4 throttle. Let's do a launch right off of the cement right here. Here we go. I can't tell if it's hooking up any better off the cement or not, or off the concrete. It doesn't feel like it's launching any better. It feels like it still wants to spin out. Let's try that again. At least so far nothing's broken. Cross my fingers it stays that way. Flipped it. Got to get over to it. Alright guys, since I have those ramps set up over here, I want to go ahead. I want to hit the ramps with this thing on 3S. We might break something, but that's a risk that I am willing to take. So let me get over here. Gotta try to line this thing up. Here we go. Oh, what broke? We lost one of the side pieces. Should have known that would happen though. This obviously is not meant for jumping. So bad things will happen when you jump it. Yeah, and it just straight up broke. I'm not super impressed with the... I keep on hitting the throttle on accident. I'm not super impressed with the quality of this 3D printed plastic. This is the same plastic that I used on the... This is actually the exact same brand as the one that I have on the 100-mile-per-hour Traxxas Slash project. Now, if you watch the most recent video with that got destroyed. I completely destroyed that. This plastic just doesn't hold up very well. You can see it's 3D printed. I'm not super impressed with it. But we're going to jump it again because who freaking cares? We'll give her a bit more throttle this time. Probably break something else, but oh well. Alrighty, try to line her up, and here we go, rolling on the throttle. Jeez! That last jump, unfortunately, broke my rear extended body mount. That's the second time this is broken. That's also made from the same material. This 3D printed plastic, I'm not super impressed with the quality. This might be the end of the video, guys. I'm probably just going to go ahead and wrap it up. Give me some recommendations down in the comments on what you think I can do to make this thing perform better with launching anyway. I'll have to get some of those things repaired. I might be able to glue. I can probably Gorilla Glue this stuff back on, or at least try to. Because if I replace it, it'll just break again. That's the thing. This 3D printed plastic, it's not made for jumping or crashing or any of that stuff. But anyway, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to like it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Later. Oh.